Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide files and folders on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, let me go to Documents or anywhere, and then we're going to create a folder. So I'm going to tap on Documents here, and then I'm going to create a folder. So I'm going to name this as Do Not Click. Right click, New, and then here I'm going to add the name, Do Not Click. So this is the folder that I'm going to hide here on Windows. How are we going to do that? So I'm going to tap on the folder, right click, and then this time you have to scroll down and look for properties. Here on properties, you have to look for the hidden box. And what you're going to do is you have to click or tap this one. After that, tap apply and then tap OK. And as you can see, you have hidden or you have hide a folder here on your document section. So that is how to hide files and folders on Windows. So don't worry, you can just basically view this one or I hide it by tapping again the view sections and tap hidden items. You will see all of the folders or all the files and folders that you have hide. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.